Here's why NYJC might just be your dream JC. We are well connected.
Getting here. Easy.
We give you the opportunities to be you. Serving the community within and beyond. Challenge your mind, elevate your potential. Here, you never walk alone. Ready to start your journey? Come join us now.